Something that has been a great headache: transcribing speech, turning it into subtitles, and translating it into different languages manually. You will see already in the import window that you can enable automatic transcription here. Let's be honest, you'd rather focus on the editing or finding a new angle for the story. As for mere transcribing, well, now AI can take over that for you. Text-based editing is something we can think of as a classic paper cut, but in digital form. We can either edit in our timeline, or we can go to the clip transcript and we can edit it directly in the text window. What else should you know and consider about your subtitles and captions? The layout, of course. We can change the font, we can also change the positioning of the subtitles. The subtitle should have around 40 characters per line. No more than 42, they say. But what if you need them in, say, 10 different languages? Now we will take our subtitles into an LLM. I'm going to use ChatGPT. The goal of our new course series here on MZed is to show you these tools in action and guide you through simple workflows.